what's cooking today? We are going to stir fry pork leg bihun. Let's take a look at the ingredients. So we have this canned pork leg. So with 1 packet of bihun already soaked in a Ziploc bag. And every pack of bihun, I like to use 2 cans of pork leg because it really gives the flavor and the smoothness. And the other ingredients, cabbage, shredded or cut into small slices, mushroom, 3 big mushroom already soaked, and carrot. So it's up to you what shape and size you want to cut. And shallots. So 小葱头, 小洋葱. Personally, when I fry pork leg bihun, I prefer this shallots instead of the big onion. It's also more flavorful. So what do we do? Stir fry bihun. So how do we fry bihun? First, the bihun is already soaked, and we have to add flavor. So I will have 1 bowl of water, 3 tablespoons of light soya sauce, and dark sauce for the color, because sometimes we don't like the bihun color to be too light. So I just add a little bit of dark sauce. So it depends on you how dark you like your bihun to be. And then you add this sauce into the bihun. Zip it back. Make sure it's really, really very tight. Right? And I like this IKEA Ziploc bag. Comes in different sizes, and it has 2 zips. It's very tight. So you just fold a little, and this is how you fry the bihun. So this method, I realize it saves us from the constant movement of frying the bihun. It makes it very easy. We just blend the sauce. So okay, without much ado, further ado, we're going to start frying our bihun first. Again, I'm using this noksa, so I'm going to stir fry a little first. The ingredient. I use the stir fry function. Okay, the pot is hot. Add oil. And then we throw in the shallots to flavor it first. So we just stir fry a bit. So let the flavor come out. But the trick is to not fry the shallot until it's brown, because if it turns brown, and by the time you throw in other ingredients to stir fry, if you leave it too late, it will become burnt. So I'm going to throw in the mushrooms. And mushroom, it also gets more fragrant when you stir fry a little. So basically, we just want the fragrance from the ingredient itself. Just add in the vegetables. Okay. Shake a little. Throw in the bihun. And I'm going to pour in this pork leg. So of course, before you use the can, you make sure you clean the top of the can. Sometimes it can get quite dusty, right, from the supermarket. So you just pour it above the bihun. So I'm going to use high pressure to cook the bihun. Just 5 minutes of high pressure. So by frying the pork leg bihun at home, you can control the amount of oil, you can control the source of oil and your ingredients. So high pressure, 5 minutes. There you go. So see you after 5 minutes. Hello! The bihun is done and it's dripping. So let us release the pressure first. Just need to do the mixing here. See, the bihun is smooth and nice. The vegetable is also nice. So we just need to blend.